Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Do I have a treat for y'all today? All right, we've got the big deal. This is going on, man. Eric Pickle, Smoked Pickle Barbecue, right here in Knoxville. All right, let me tell you something about Eric. Eric was one of our very first customers way back in 2020. All right, he ordered a Heritage 72 from us. Since then, all right, Heritage 72. He's got a 500 on the trailer from us. All right, that was his next setup. Then he got the safe from us, upright cooker. Then he got the hog hauler from us. Now he's finally upgraded to the big boy 1,000 gallon offset smoker. He's actually got another one, TMG, he bought secondhand. We'll talk about that later. But this is all his right here. This is actually the first 1,000 gallon we've done on a skid package. We've done several of them on trailers. This will be our first skid setup here. Really came out great. Eric's got a really badass smoke yard he's building here in Knoxville. So this is gonna go in his smoke shack. Gonna work out really well. We'll check right here. As you can see, all counterweighted doors at standard. Now guys, on all of our tank smokers, not just the 1,000 gallon, you get sliding top racks. Every single door, don't matter which door I open up here, you're gonna open up, what are you gonna see? A sliding top rack, all right? Full bottom trays, they are removable. Like I said, it is on our skid package. We can do our real cool hand fabricated setup up front. Fold down smokestack, that is standard on every tank smoker. Hey, you want to talk about we don't miss the details. Let me show you all this right here. Our hold down bolt is a pickle, baby. My man Scott did that. Hand painted. Got the smoked pickle on there. Pretty slick. We'll walk over to the firebox after I shut down these very smooth operating counterweighted doors here. Of course, we got his logo there. Smoked Pickle Barbecue logo, and we did the nameplate, the big deal. All right. Now guys, our fireboxes on all of our tank smokers fully insulated, all right? The door's insulated. On the 1,000 gallon, we got a 30-inch pipe in here wrapped with insulation. Front of it's insulated as well, holds heat extremely well. Just makes them a dream to run. Very, very low wood consumption on these. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.